How to transfer money from Western Union to PayPal. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply transfer money from your Western Union to a bank account and then link that bank account to your PayPal account. So in order to do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply log in into your Western Union account and then click on send money. Then here you're gonna have to choose bank account and then simply choose a method on how would you like to pay. After that, click on continue and then you're gonna have to enter the bank account details and simply pay. Now the next step is to go to PayPal and then go to wallet and then simply click on link a bank and then you're gonna have to link that bank account. Now after you link that bank account, it's gonna look something like this. Simply click on set as preferred and basically that's all you have to do. As you can see, they're gonna use this when you shop or send money. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.